Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mahesh Opari. Hope you're doing great. And in today's video, we are going to dive into Canva's affiliate program. You have probably heard of Canva or even used it before. And for those who haven't used Canva, it is an incredible graphic design platform. It allows users to create a wide variety of visual content such as presentations, posters, social media graphics, and even more. It's super user friendly, and thanks for its drag and drop interface and extensive library of templates, images, illustrations, and fonts. Essentially, it helps you to create professional looking designs without needing advanced designing skills. It's perfect for making whatever you need without having to hire someone or spend a lot of time on it. So guys, at any time of this video, if you would like to check out my favorite strategy to make around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from comfort of your home, then I request you to please visit the first link, get registered, and watch the free masterclass. Alright, now let's move over to Canva's plans and pricing. If you click on plans and pricing and then compare pricing, as you can see, this is Indian pricing. Why? Because I stay in India. So if you compare it in dollars, you'll see they offer few plans. First, you can use Canva for free, absolutely free, which gives you access to over 1 million professionally designed templates and many other features also. It's incredibly useful even if you are just using the free version. Of course, there's also Canva Pro, which I personally use and highly recommend. It's not expensive at all. The monthly plan is only around $15, and if you opt for the yearly plan, it's around $10 per month. So all in all, it's a pretty affordable and useful tool. But what's in it for us? Today, I'll show you how to apply for Canva's affiliate program and share a powerful strategy to promote your affiliate link. Now let's get started. First, head over to Google search and type Canva affiliate program. And you'll find the affiliate program link. Click on it, have a look, read it completely, and here you'd be having click here option. So once you click on that, you'll be redirected to the actual Canva affiliate program. What's interesting for us in the information about becoming an Empower ambassador, that's what they call their affiliates. Here you can find more details about the program and the platforms you can use to promote your affiliate links. They currently support Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn. You can use any of these platforms to drive traffic to your affiliate link. And guys, I'll share my strategy for promoting Canva's affiliate link later on. But remember, it doesn't matter with platforms you use as long as you bring in as many as people as possible. When they convert to paid plans, you will earn a commission. A great thing to note that, Canva offers a free trial. Always mention this when promoting your link because people love free trials. Once they try Canva and see how easy and useful it is, many will convert to paid plans, and that's when you earn your commissions. An important point is that Canva is looking for independent creators, not firms or companies. You need to have an active and engaged social media audience, but don't worry if you don't have yet one. You can start a new account on any of the supported platforms and begin promoting your affiliate links. They mention this to ensure you can effectively promote this product. Applications for Canva's affiliate program are currently closed, but they'll open again in fall 2024. This gives you 3 to 4 months of time, depending on when you're watching this video, to build a good social following. So how can you get ready for the application opening? A lot of people make tutorials on YouTube and include their affiliate links in the descriptions. However, I recommend using Instagram or TikTok as these platforms are great for shorter content and easier to grow an audience. On TikTok, for example, you can meet the platform's requirements and earn money from TikTok itself while promoting your Canva affiliate link. Here's how you can do it. Create a simple tutorial showing people how to use Canva. It's very easy to navigate and you can make videos about various features. For example, say how to make video, how to add text, how to add borders to the social media content, or how to create a GIF video. It's up to you. There are n number of templates on Canva. You can make use of it. Try, play with Canva, and you will be coming across with many new ideas. All right. Now, here you can make use of Active Presenter to record your screen. Okay, this tool records everything you do on your screen, and it's what I'm using right now to show you this tutorial. After recording, you'll need to edit your videos. I recommend using CapCut for this. It's very user friendly and anyone can navigate it. Or else you can make use of the same exact platform, canva.com, to edit your videos. For an added touch of professionalism, use your own voice in these videos. It gives you credibility. If you are shy or don't want to use your own voice, you can use a service like 11 Labs for voice narrations. It's free up to 10,000 words per month, which should be more than enough for short videos. Or else if you are on Windows, then you can make use of Microsoft Clipchamp. Okay, when you click on text to speech, see here you can find text to speech option. Click over there and you can create n number of voiceovers for your short videos. And guys, to get ideas, you can check out Canva's official Instagram page and recreate some of their content, or look at longer YouTube tutorials and break them down into shorter segments for TikTok or Instagram Reels. Remember, this isn't a get rich quick scheme. It depends on your dedication and consistency. If you start now and create 3 to 4 or maybe 5 Reels or videos per week, you'll have a solid foundation by fall 2024. These videos don't need to be long. 1 minute, 2 minutes is enough to capture attention and direct viewers to your affiliate link. So that's the strategy, guys. It's entirely doable and anyone can start today. Just remember, it will take some effort and consistency, but the potential rewards are definitely worth it. And guys, as I said you, at any time of this video, if you want to check out my favorite strategy to make around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from comfort of your home as a complete beginner, then you can please visit the first link, get registered and watch the free masterclass. So if you're watching this video for the first time, then I request you to please do subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you won't be missing any next notification, as well as it would be motivating me to create new content for you. Good luck guys, happy creating, work hard on it, and I'll catch you in the next video.